Turkey is welcoming about 200,000 people. It gives its humanitarian aid, but Turkey has never been involved in any war against anything happening beyond its borders. And what is expected from Turkey is really very surprising. ISIL is not the only threat in the region. ISIL is an outcome. It's an outcome of Assad regime.
The argument against President Assad, the argument for a no-fly zone, a lot of people are saying those are simply excuses for the fact you don't want to intervene because you don't want to go in and help the Kurds.
PKK is also another terrorist organization. And you mean we should help a terrorist organization and we favor one terrorist organization over the other? And that's something which is expected from Turkey is really very not plausible things.
Which is the real enemy for Turkey? Islamic State or the Kurds, the PKK?
We don't distinguish between terrorisms, and we don't say that one terrorist is better than other terrorists. You see what they do in our country, and what they do is terrorism actually. And we cannot be very sympathetic to one terrorist over the other.
If Kobane falls, will you care?
Why Kobane became the most important problem for the world? Really, I am wondering about this, and Turkey is wondering about this. Do you think that it is less than 1,000 people were killed in Kobane, but 300,000 people were killed in Syria? Which are more important? Which is more important, I mean? And this question, I think we are questioning this kind of questioning. First, we start from here. And 1.5 million people are now refugees in Turkey. And Turkey is suffering from all these refugees, and nobody cared about this. But now people of the world are asking us to intervene to Kobane. Why? What's happening in Kobane? All civilians are already in Turkey now. Turkey has saved all the civilians. There is war between two terrorist groups. There is war now in Kobane between two terrorist groups. There is no tragedy in Kobane now, as it is cried out by some terrorist group of PKK in Turkey or anywhere else. But in Syria there is real tragedy. In Syria, in all parts of Syria, there is real tragedy.